We're up here at a property in North Pickering looking at a roof leak that only happens on weird rains. Under regular rains that fall straight down from the sky, most roofs won't leak. It's when you get those high wind rains, when it looks like the rain's coming from across the street at your house. What happens with this client here, you can actually see staining on the brickwork below the soffit. So what we've done is we removed some shingles to kind of find out what the problem is. When you look up at the roof here, you'll see the chimney flashing. That's that metal across the brick. Definitely original, considering this roof is only 7 years old. Whenever a roofer doesn't change the metal flashing, you know they didn't flash the chimney properly with rubber. Metal is not waterproof. Shingles don't always stop the water. I want to go up here. This area right here is your high risk, all right? This is an ice and water shield membrane which was on the contract the client had in order to stop water from going in between the roof and the chimney. Different materials will move with expansion and contraction. This is where it leaks. This is where it leaks. This material has to come up the wall 4 inches by building code. So you can't get this material up the wall unless you rip the metal off. Anytime a roofer isn't changing your metal, he's not installing the flashing properly. Period. Okay, so what we've done here then is we're going to remove the old metal off of the chimney. Okay, this is from when the house was built. This has got to be the 3rd roof, and no roofer's gone through the extra effort to take this off in order to waterproof it. You can see right here, I can put my hand right into the roof system. Normal rain coming down may not be going in there. You might have heard the terminology ice dam. When ice builds up, it'll force water up under the shingles and you're right into the house. So what Chris is doing, he's going to cut us up some membrane, and we're going to flash this material up the wall so that water driven underneath the flashing and shingles will not get into the house and leak down and wreck the bricks. Even with the ice and water shields, they make different qualities. You can buy this product for about $40 a roll if you want, but most ice and water shields do not guarantee sealing around the nail heads. The product we use is manufactured by GAF. It's called StormGuard. It's designed specifically as a high-quality leak barrier to seal the nails as it comes in. So the product itself will flash from the roof deck up the brick wall. It will actually create this nice waterproof barrier. Now we can tie our shingles in, flash the front, flash the back, and put all brand new metal for the client. So now we're guaranteed no matter how high the water, ice, and snow gets here, it's not going to come into your house. And that's the kind of roof we want designed. Something that's not going to leak, right? So you can see basically it's important that when you hire a contractor, not only you choose really high quality products, but they're installing the products the way they were designed to be done. The client had this roof for 7 years. Under impression, maybe roofs are supposed to leak in weird rains. You can see now how doing it like this will stop the water. Sure, it takes a little more time. Your contract's going to cost a little bit more money. But again, when it comes to hiring a contractor, make sure you're getting what you pay for, and what they're having you do is what's supposed to be done. So I'm John McLellan from John McLellan Contracting. We've been in Pickering for 17 years. So remember, when you're looking for a quality contractor, call us. We can give you the advice and educate you so you can make a good, logical decision on choosing the contractor for your next project. Look us up at Pickering Online or directly at McLellancontracting.ca. Thank you.